met Olivia and fell in love. And with her and with Jojo, her gorgeous little boy. And very quickly he realized that he and Olivia are very well matched. I'm truly in awe of the way they work together and plan wisely for the future. But it's not all serious and working and planning in their house. I think we saw a little bit of their fun side at the wedding.
She's not your let's link up girl, innit? She's serious in what she wants to do. She's serious. She knows what she wants. She's like, when you take me out on a date, I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go on a date then. I called my best man that day. I said, oh, Bob, I don't find wife. He said, just one first date. I said, guy, leave that. I said, I don't find wife.
So I'm back on me. Are you serious?
This is present from your husband.
For you?
For you?
Guys, are you serious?
Yes.
I don't believe you. Are you lying? As in, this is the car I wanted.
I was so confident, I was so sure that this was it for me. And we progressed from there, we carried on, and she proved to be amazing, supportive, great listener. Beautiful, as you can see, the proof of it. Looking amazing and stunning today. You're my wife now, you know. I got my ring too, G.
I wanna be like this. If love can be like this, I wanna do like this. If love can be like this, I don't know we are more. Too much love, we are more. I don't know we are more. Too much love, we are more. Only fakers be loving when you have. When he ready, them to wama when he ready. Only fakers be loving when you have. When you have. When he ready, them to wama when he ready. When he ready.
Why you there? Sure you go there, but money no there. Sure you go there, but money no there. Sure you go there for me if I no pay. Other make I know. Say make you show me plenty love, make I know. See, only fake girls be loving when you have. When he ready, them two armor when he ready.